Kia ora guys!
Kia ora iti whānau. Today,
welcome back to Indiazomucks.
we're going to the beach. We're going to the beach today.
We are.
Today we're here with Amali Ellen and Jessica Hansel.
Let's go, guys.
And
Let's go.
Quinn's supposed to take us to the beach, but he's not fucking awake.
Look at my eyelash, guys. It's really big.
Indiazomucks.
Quinn's not actually awake yet.
Stupid card.
We got Amali, Jessica. We got
Don't let
go. Don't let go. Don't let go.
So guys, we're going into the supermarket. Con's not coming because he's a pussy hole.
And he don't want to pay for my food today.
And I had to put my hoodie on because I cannot walk into the thing.
He's driving us all the way to the beach and back, so he's paying for the petrol and stuff.
And we don't even got to pay $2 each for the petrol.
Even though I said they had to. He was like, no.
Pack and save vlog, but New World part 2. Oh. These are the snacks so far, guys.
We broke this.
Oh god damn.
What do we get for it?
You right, Jessica?
Maltesers.
You're right.
Maltesers. I want Maltesers.
So guys, the plan is I'm gonna propose to Maui at the beach.
Yep. We got the ring ready.
So we're gonna propose to in front of everyone.
And then we're gonna
Oh, my finger's so white.
$20. $20 and we'll sit there in front of you.
$20 is $20. Yeah. Guys, we are at the beach. Okay guys, so basically here we are really freezing here. It's really cold in this water, but it's okay because we got used to it and our toes were really numb. So guys, me and Miley are currently having a tan time and then they're over there playing some rugby, well, trying to. But I can't be bothered going over there, so, because it's just like so nice. Look at my eyelash. It's like so nice. Guys, we are building Zoe, Miley, a moat. And they're building a massive penis.
I've been segregated. Help me.
Wow.
Help me.
Just gonna move. God damn.
It's been more like, god damn.
God damn.
Scooch it over, guys. Wow. So fucking beautiful. In the car, going home.
Get the airplane.
Oi!
Hit up.
Here come the airplane. We didn't do it outro yesterday, so we're doing it today. And also, like, that wasn't very long, but that's all we got, so that's what you get.
And I ripped out my eyelashes in that time. I ripped them out last night after the beach.
But it's okay, guys. Hope you enjoy.
Indiazomucks is back on the grind, hard out. Alright guys, we're not going to have a big long break anymore.
Smash that like button, smash that
like
subscribe.
it, comment it, subscribe it, share it, like it, comment it. Let's go guys.
Guys, comment down below suggestions of what we should do a vlog of, because we're running out of ideas, guys.
We got a cheeky little vlog coming in December, you guys really
oh yes, that one's going to be a good one. But peace for now, guys. Peace and love.
Peace and love.